Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you MS Word shortcut key and tips to insert current date and time without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so welcome back to this video. Let's say we want to insert current dates in MS Word. What we want to do is to simply hover our mouse to the last point of the date, and then what you want to do on your keyboard is to simply press Alt key on your keyboard, Shift key on your keyboard, and at the same time press D on your keyboard. So you're going to have dates. The current date is going to appear automatically. So let's switch to time. So for you to insert time in MS Word with this shortcut key, what you need to do is to press Alt key, Shift key, and at the same time plus T, and the time is going to bump up just like so. Then you can apply color as the case may be. So you can change the color to whatever color of your choice. Let's, for instance, I'm going to simply change this one right here to another color. So I will simply click on here, and I'm going to make this red. And I will click on here. I'm going to make this something like green, just like so. Then we can press Ctrl A to select everything. We can also increase the both font size by coming to the top right there, and you have it this way. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is the tips and the best shortcut key to insert times and dates in MS Word. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks about how best to use your MS Word. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.